So this actually works, guys, so keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's get right into the video. How are you doing, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to play the game Dead Cells on iOS and Android for free. So this is not a free game, but in this video I will be showing you guys how to download it for free. So as you can see, we got the full Dead Cells game right here. So I'm going to go ahead and join it just so you guys can see this actually works. So as you can see, this is the full game and it is really fun to play because there is a lot of strange environments to explore and just cool stuff to do, which is going to be very enhancing for a lot of people that are very interested in exploring the Dead Cells universe. And there's also this DLC content, which I guess I have all the DLCs, which is cool, but I'm more interested in just showing you guys the normal game. And I'm just going to play it on normal mode because I feel like I just don't need to show you guys any harder modes. So yeah, this is super fun, guys. So if you're bored of playing like Subway Surfers, I'm going to show you guys how to get Dead Cells for your phone for free, because that's the reason you're not playing it, because it costs money. So let me just show you guys right here. I'm going to type in Dead Cells, and as you can see, guys, it is $9. I'm not paying $9 for that game. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is open up the browser and type hexmods.com. So this is the website that has Dead Cells on it for free. So just type in Dead Cells and there it is. So now press on it and it's going to start downloading the game. Now there's one more step, it's verification. So basically you got to download 2 apps and follow instructions. They're 100% free from official app store, and this will install the game into your phone. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So as you can see, it says missing files. So basically we need to download 2 of those apps. I'm not sure what apps you're going to see, but just make sure you download 2 of them. So like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. So that is pretty easy if you ask me. And then of course we have our Underdog Fantasy, which also says download and run for 30 seconds. So that is how to play the game Dead Cells for iOS and Android devices. So I hope you guys found it useful. I'm going to see you later and peace out.